Today we're making some maple bourbon pork belly burn ends with a peppery bark. This recipe hits just right with the clean, beautiful smoke flavor from El Fuego Trio. So please hit that like button to show your support, and we'll show you everything you need to know to get this done in your own backyard. We're using about 4 pounds of boneless, skinless pork belly today, and we're going to begin by slicing this into 1.5 to 2 inch squares. Place these into a large mixing bowl, add a couple tablespoons of olive oil, then we're going to hit this up generously with our LSG Texas Bold. Remember that pork belly is uncured, so you can be extra generous with this. Now this recipe calls for a couple extra tablespoons of black pepper. Then just use those hand mixers to get this all combined. Transfer to a wire rack and be sure to leave enough space in between for smoke to travel. Now these are ready to go. Our LSG El Fuego Trio is big, bold, and beautiful. Its name stands for triple fire grill because it can cook with wood, charcoal, or pellets. Today we'll be using a combination of charcoal and wood splits. Start with a good bed of charcoal and add a split as needed. We'll be using a mixture of oak and hickory today. Be sure you're using the exhaust vent on the right side of the lid, and you can adjust your intake vent as needed. We're looking for a temperature of about 225 to 250 degrees Fahrenheit today. Once you have your temperatures dialed in, get your burn ends on the indirect right side of the cooker, close the lid, and begin cooking. The first phase of this cook will take a couple hours for us to build up some really good bark and smoke flavor. Once the burn ends have built up a good firm bark on the outside and have good color, it's time to get these into a foil pan to tenderize. And we're really going to create some rich flavor here by adding 1 cup of maple syrup, a half cup of apple juice, 1/4 cup Worcester sauce, a half cup of brown sugar, a double shot of your favorite bourbon. Give all that a quick stir, and then we're going to add a few pads of butter on top. Wrap that up tightly in foil, get it on the top shelf of El Fuego Trio, close the lid, and let these go till they probe nice and tender. This will usually take about 1 to 2 hours. Then you can remove the foil and just let them go about another 30 minutes before you remove them and allow them to cool. This is one of the richest and most flavorful recipes you'll find for pork belly burn ends. The results are incredible, so make sure you give this one a try. If you've got questions on El Fuego Trio or any of our products at any time, just give us a call or check out our links below.